How to make your post for your friends on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your post for your friends on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then click see your profile, and now just go down and select any post you want, like this one, and click these 3 points here and then click edit post, and here you will find this one public. Click on it and then just select friends and go back and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.